Zachary Toys and Fun.
Hello YouTubers, we're back again and I am Ryan and this is
Zachary!
And together we are on channel
Zachary Toys and Fun.
Zachary Toys and Fun, that is right. Don't forget, subscribe below, give us a thumbs up. Today we're going to be talking about
Dinosaurs!
Dinosaurs.
Jurassic Park!
So Jurassic Park, Jurassic World. Zachary is massively into dinosaurs at the moment. So we keep going out and purchasing dinosaurs, but they have to be from Jurassic Park. Why is that? Because they've got this little emblem at the bottom. Can you see that? It's like this little, and you go on the iPad, you scan that in, and you see that little dinosaur moving around. So Zachary, should we start showing the dinosaurs we've got here? Because we've got quite a few, haven't we? So, what was your first one you ever got? What was the first one? So, this one, and what's this one with fluffy ears?
A Dilophosaurus. He can spit out acid. And when he touches, it burns their skin. Any dinosaur.
So look at that, so that's this one and it makes a little bleeping sound. So that was first Zachary's.
And next it was this one. It was that one.
What's this one?
I don't know his name.
Look.
It's really hard to open.
There he goes, his mouth opens and he's got a little emblem at the bottom. So if you know what this dinosaur is called, put on the message below. Because we're not too sure what this one is, we haven't got the packet anymore. So let's put that one there. So that was number 2 that Zachary bought. What was your next one?
Blue.
So everyone knows Blue.
From Jurassic
World.
And also from Jurassic Park.
Yeah, that's true, that's true.
Owen owned him.
He owned him. So yes. Owen will know. Owen brought this dinosaur up, so they were good friends. So there is Blue, and what is Blue?
A velociraptor.
A raptor! Everyone's favourite dinosaur! So that was dinosaur number 3. And you also got Owen in this pack with this dinosaur as well, but he's not here at the moment, he's a little figure, not a dinosaur. So, what was the next one you got? Woo, woo, little flying one we got here. Look at this, what's this one called?
I don't know. It's actually it will tell you its name in the game. Ah,
right, okay. This is
It's like a flying dinosaur, it's like a pterodactyl, it isn't. You can get a pterodactyl in it.
So this one is like a pterodactyl, but it's not.
It's not.
And the good thing about it is, his head.
And pterodactyls are not a dinosaur.
Aren't they? What are they then?
A
bird.
It's a reptile.
Right.
It's a flying reptile. It isn't a dinosaur.
Right.
At the same time.
Right. Ooh. So this one, I quite like this one because his head goes down like a hunchback. Here we go. Let's put him down.
It bites fishies.
Goes down and bites fishies. So what's the next one we got here, Zachary? What is the next one? This one, I remember this on the film. See, like, don't this one headbutt people?
Yes, headbutt. It's walk.
Its head moves. What's this one called?
Pachycephalosaurus.
What? Pachycephalosaurus.
Pachycephalosaurus.
Wow, I can't even say that. So I think you went for that, Zachary. Let's put that down. So that was your next one, and then we can start seeing. We started getting bigger ones. What one did you get next?
This one.
Oh, this one's a big one.
No, it was this one.
I think you got all these for Christmas. So what one do you want to show?
It was this one.
So we all know what this one is, don't we?
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
And his name was the good guy was in this movie.
So he's in the movie. Oh, right, okay.
The good guy.
So look, he's quite...
And his name was Rexy.
Rexy. So this one, you've got the tail. You twist the tail. Can you see that?
And he moves his mouth. And look when he does this.
Oh, no, you push him down. Get the other dinosaur. So he goes up and down and left and right.
And it can also go up.
Oh, it makes all different noises. Look how good that one is. So,
And next one, it was
this one. Oh my God. Look at the size of this one. It's bigger than Zachary. Look at the size of it. Ah, it's got a massive mouth. It's all squishy as well. Who is this?
Mosasaurus.
Mosasaurus, look at the size of it. So Zachary takes this, and do you still take this in the bath?
Yeah.
He takes this in the bath with him. Look how big it is.
It's almost the size of it.
It takes up the whole bath. Oh. Oh. So, but if you feel this one,
It's
got.
crazy.
It feels not like plastic, it's like rubber.
I need to get the other dinosaur.
Look at this. Yes, it's a massive dinosaur. Look at it. I have to say, that's probably my favourite because it's a big one. Look at its mouth.
It can probably swallow that.
It's swallowed all of it.
It can swallow them.
It's the strongest dinosaur.
It can like bite all of these in one shot.
Yeah, easily.
Easily also the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Yeah.
So he is the good guy and he's also a good guy.
That is right.
And also in the movie, this guy's the bad guy, is Blue's worst enemy.
Yeah. Who's this guy then?
Endoraptor.
Endoraptor.
That's the next one I got here.
He's got like gold teeth. Yellow teeth.
Yeah.
The good thing about all these dinosaurs, all their arms move, their mouth moves. You can have real good fun with these. So, what is this one called again?
Endoraptor.
Endoraptor.
It's not a dinosaur.
It's a mixture, isn't it, between a raptor and
a T-Rex.
yeah. So on.
It has T-Rex in T-Rex and Dominus. No,
Dominus Rex.
Rex.
A Dominus Rex.
Dominus.
That's it. It's a mixture between a raptor and a Dominus Rex. So Jurassic World 1, wasn't it?
And it was a boy and a girl.
And a boy and a girl, so they can
Endoraptor.
change sex. So the last one we've got of dinosaurs is this one.
And this one's the last one.
Who's this? Makes noises as well.
I'm trolling that by pressing this button.
Got a little button on it. Oh, and it moves its mouth. Who's this anyway? What dinosaur is this?
I don't know.
It's another one with the emblem at the bottom so you can scan them in. So if you could help us name what the missing dinosaurs' names are, just let us know in the comments down below. So this is a real good collection of dinosaurs, Zachary. So you've already said your favourite is this one. So I hope you liked all Zachary's dinosaurs.
Yeah.
So what are we going to say now?
Hit that like button. Hit that like button down below. And hit that like thumbs up button.
And don't forget to subscribe below. So thank you, Zachary Toys and Fun, and we're going to say bye.